Well, good morning. We're just leaving Iron Masters, which is back behind those trees, and MC's coming in a few minutes. And we're currently walking same section of the AT for the third time because we had to come this way to go down to the beach along the AT, only to find out that we were going the wrong way to get to the campground, so we had to walk the same section again. And now we're doing it for a third time. Yay! It's a little overcast today, but it's nice and cool for this morning. It's currently right after 6:30, which is when we had planned to get out. And we're gonna try very, very hard to make it to the post office in Boiling Springs this before they close this afternoon, because Snapshot and I really need new shoes, but it's a little over 19 miles. So we decided to start about an hour earlier to make sure that we can get there by like 4 o'clock. So we're crossing our fingers that we do good and that my knees do good. So yeah, it'll be a good day. Can confirm bridge bounces. MC, you might actually collapse that thing.
So sketch.
So sketch.
Why you jiggle like that?
It's humid and there's ferns everywhere. It's like we're walking through the tropics, except we're definitely still at the AT. We did 11 by 11. Let's go. Nice. Well, this is fun.
Kinda cool. Boost.
No. Maybe. No. Ah! Oh, you meant like a boost. Thanks, MC. The trail is that way, so naturally, instead of walking straight, we go through this rock. Oh, hey, Snapshot. What you doing over there?
Just in case you didn't know, George is that way.
George is that way?
And Maine is this way.
And Maine is this way. Well, that's good information. Oh, look. Trail.
And to make things more confusing, there's another arrow here pointing to the rock. Counter pressure. Do it. That's fun. I like that. And take your pulls.
Yeah.
You won't need them for this. Or you won't want them.
All right. This might be a little harder for me because you're taller. Let me see.
Need a boost? He's a climber. Nice. Oh. Good, nice. She found a nice jug on the top right there. I think she's done it.
How'd you get up there?
See how it flattens, then just. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Lame.
Beta's different.
Yeah. Is that the tall person beta?
No, I had fun on the bottom one. This is crazy. Dude.
I like it. This is fun.
Whew. You need all your pulls?
Nope. I need my poles at the moment.
Nice.
Thanks. Oh, we can go up.
Yup.
Right. This makes sense. Nope.
use my left hand.
Nice. I like the little like corner arrow. You want me to hold your pulse?
No. I'm just making sure that we got enough space. Guys, is this like a double black diamond?
Go left, Snapshot. Go left. I don't think you'd be skiing this.
No, but like based on that first pass, like rating.
Oh, I think this would be
They're climbing. Dude.
I think this would be most strenuous. Could be incorrect, but that seems like an appropriate designation for this. You can't say Pennsylvania is not well blazed because from where I'm standing I can see 5 blazes in front of me. Earlier my count was at 7. It's very well marked. They tell you just where they want you to go, which is normally through the rocks. We're on our last climb of what we've affectionately now dubbed the Pennsylvania pop-up coaster, because it's a series of 5 peaks in succession that get progressively less difficult. Can confirm Pennsylvania is in fact rocky. The climbs aren't bad. When they are bad, they're really bad. They're not terrible, but it's been a ride. And it's really humid today. Like, sweating in all the places humid. We keep finding sinkholes in Pennsylvania. That's the biggest one yet. Oh, and then it turns into a ditch. Walking through Pennsylvania farmland right now on the AT. This is really cool. We made it to Boiling Springs. We made it to Boiling Springs. 19.3 miles by 3:10. We did pretty good today. Also, there's a really nice duck pond here that the AT goes right by. We got to the post office in time to get our shoes. Snapshot, you got shoes?
Oh, I got shoes.
Nice. Brand new topos for me. Brand new topos that look exactly like the old ones for Snapshot. Even Zen's got new shoes.
So
Holla! We made it into Lisa's hostel. We got Navigator and Dimwit and Zen and Iron Mama in here with us tonight.
I got it once.
And there's our bunkhouse.